Hey everyone, here's how to connect microphone to your JBL soundbar, whether for karaoke or just amplify your voice. First, check your JBL soundbar model. Look around the back or sides and see if there's a mic input or an aux port. That's where your mic will connect. If your mic has a 3.5 mm jack, just plug it directly into the aux or mic input. But if it's an XLR or USB mic, you'll need an adapter or an audio mixer that can connect to your soundbar. Now, turn on your JBL soundbar and set the input source into aux or line in. This tells the soundbar to play sound from your mic input. Test your mic by speaking into it and adjusting the volume. Make sure to tweak both the soundbar and mic levels to get clear audio without distortion. If you're using a Bluetooth microphone, some JBL soundbars let you pair them directly. Just put your mic in pairing mode and connect like you would with any Bluetooth device. And that's it. Now you're ready to use your mic with JBL soundbar for karaoke nights, parties, or announcements. Thank you for watching this video.